I make money work for me. Financial freedom is a necessity, not a luxury. I will never be a slave to a paycheck. I control my income, my investments, and my future. Money doesn't define me, but financial independence ensures that I live life on my own terms. Let's be real. Most of y'all are out here living paycheck to paycheck, hoping for a raise, scared to lose your job, and calling that stability. That's not stability. That's modern-day slavery with a direct deposit. Your boss controls your schedule, your rent controls your stress levels, and your bills control your decisions. That's not life. That's survival. And survival mode is for men who refuse to take control. Most of you were never taught how to make money work for you. You were trained to trade time for dollars like a damn hamster on a wheel. Wake up, work, get paid, repeat. That's a broke man's mindset. You're working hard as hell, yet the people getting rich aren't clocking in. Why? Because they learned the truth early. Money is a tool, not a damn leash. Money is a weapon. Use it wisely. You can either use money to build power, or you can let it control you like a puppet. A high-value man doesn't just work for money, he makes money work for him. That means investments, ownership, and passive income. That means getting paid while you sleep. Ask yourself this: if you lost your job tomorrow, how long could you survive? If the answer isn't forever, you're doing it wrong. The broke man's excuse versus the rich man's mindset. A broke man says, I don't have enough money to invest. A rich man says, I don't have enough money not to invest. The difference? One is waiting for permission to get rich, the other is making it happen. You don't need to be a millionaire to start moving like one. You need discipline, knowledge, and a refusal to settle for scraps. That means cutting the dumb spending, getting your credit right, and putting your money in places that grow instead of just disappear. Let's break this shit down. Credit is power. Learn how to leverage it. Stop blowing it on liabilities and use it to build assets. Invest early, invest often. Stocks, real estate, business. Put your money somewhere that multiplies. Multiple streams of income. A single paycheck is too damn dangerous in today's world. Get side hustles, invest, own something. Live below your means. If you're making $100 and spending $99K, you're still broke. Stack your paper. Stop flexing, start building. A car loses value the second you drive it off the lot. A house appreciates. Know the difference. A man without money is a man without options. Money doesn't make you a man, but not having it makes you weak in this world. A man without money has no leverage, no freedom, and no say in his own damn life. Women don't respect him, opportunities don't come to him, and he spends his life begging instead of choosing. You think women respect a man struggling to pay his rent? You think the world gives a damn about a man who can't handle his own bills? No. A man with financial power has options. He chooses where he lives, what he drives, who he entertains, and what opportunities he takes. He's not forced into bullshit jobs, toxic relationships, or begging for help because he can't afford to stand on his own. If you want to be taken seriously as a man, get your money right. Be the boss, not the worker. The world is designed to keep you working just hard enough to survive, but never enough to escape. If you don't start playing the game right, you'll be trapped in this cycle forever. Are you going to keep making excuses, keep blaming the system, keep waiting for some miracle to change your life? Or are you going to take control, learn the game, and make money your damn employee? I don't work for money. Money works for me. And until you get that through your head, you'll always be struggling.